If you choose to stand and
Get up and get
Sorry,
moving.
your help is much needed.
They look kind of strong. I've got your back.
Leave the rest to me.
I'll show you the results of my training. I will help you.
Fired up.
Annihilate the enemy. Let's go. Annihilate the enemy. Let's go.
This should be interesting, right?
Sorry, your help is much needed.
I'll lend a hand.
This will be my strength. I will protect
I'll
everyone.
let you see something really good.
The results of my training.
Leave the rest to me.
Don't overdo it.
Leave the rest
Keep
to me.
going.
I'll let you see something really good.
By my strength.
Come on now.
Got it.
How's this?
I've got your back. And go.
Let me present you a blessing of lead.
You ready for me?
Here I go. That was close. I will protect everyone.
See if you can stop this.
Here I go. Ah! I need to work harder.